Hello everyone, welcome to the you can see me. This is the rod of the toy of mine. Then I open it up. Sorry for the box because we can't open. Now we can open. I got it! Wait, my hand is stuck. There. So, whoa. This is so good. Whoa. You can save it. It is an off-cutter. This is the hand decorate. This like the I have the other one. This is the handy plate. F. This is the first one.
This is the dump truck.
This is the first one I have.
Audio Jungle.